It started with steam. It advanced with electricity and combustion. It evolved with circuits. And now, it moves, it acts, it thinks. The Industrial Revolution isn't coming, it's happening now. What if innovation didn't take decades? Not 10 years, not 5, but today. Are you ready? Are you a part of it? It's not man versus machine, it's man and machine, side by side, powering progress together. You think this is just about robots? About ones and zeros? Just cameras and components? No, it's about hunger. It's about drive. It's about the ones who refuse to be left behind. It's about precision, power, quality, performance. It's about doing the work when no one else is watching, seeing the future before anyone else does. Some will hesitate, some will resist. But the bold, the relentless, the visionaries, they're the ones who win. They're the ones who automate.